To pay with Cash App on Roblox. Start by opening the Roblox website or mobile app and log into your account. Next, click on the Robux tab and select the amount of Robux you want to purchase. Choose the payment method as Cash App and you will be redirected to the Cash App website. If you do not have a Cash App account, sign up for one and link your bank account or credit card to it. Once you have a Cash App account, enter the amount you want to pay and click on the Pay button. You will receive a prompt to confirm the payment. Review the details and confirm. After the payment is processed, you will receive the Robux in your Roblox account. It is essential to note that Cash App may charge a small fee for the transaction, so ensure you have sufficient funds in your account. To avoid any issues, make sure your Cash App account is verified and your bank account or credit card is linked correctly. Additionally, be aware of the minimum and maximum transaction limits set by Cash App and Roblox. It is also crucial to keep your account information and payment details secure to prevent any unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can easily pay with Cash App on Roblox and enjoy your gaming experience. To get the best out of this payment method, ensure you are using the latest version of the Roblox app and Cash App, and have a stable internet connection. This will help prevent any errors or delays during the payment process. By following these simple steps and best practices, you can securely and efficiently pay with Cash App on Roblox and start playing your favorite games right away.